Hey everyone, so for this first episode, we're going to learn how to make this peppercorn powder that will be used for a lot of spicy food that we're going to learn throughout this channel. So please enjoy the video and don't forget to leave a like. So to make the peppercorn powder, we're going to need two ingredients. This is green peppercorn, used to give the numb and tingly feeling. And we will also be using red peppercorn, which is the fragrant part of the powder. So to begin making the peppercorn powder, we're going to start by taking a flat skillet and putting it over high heat to heat up the skillet. And once the skillet is hot enough, we're going to throw in the red peppercorn and of course the green peppercorn. And we're just going to move it around until everything is heated all the way through. You'll know when it's heated all the way through when the smell starts coming out and it becomes very fragrant, and you're likely to see a little bit of smoke coming out of the skillet as well. Constantly keep it moving around to prevent it from burning. Peppercorns actually burn really quickly, so you have to move fast. So once all the peppercorn are heated all the way through, we're going to put it aside into either a plate, a bowl, baking rack, whatever you have around, and we're going to let it cool. Once the peppercorn is completely cool, cool to the touch, we're going to use this coffee grinder. Coffee grinder, spice grinder, whatever you have lying around, and we're going to grind the peppercorn into the powder. Usually these are very small, so you might need to do 2 batches. Start by pulsing it, and once it becomes fine enough, you can hold down the button and grind it into a very fine powder. It's okay to have a couple of larger flakes in there, that's just for texture, but overall you want it to be fine. So once we're done grinding the powder, we can just put it into any airtight Tupperware, plastic, glass, mason jar, whatever you have lying around. And this, just keep it in a room temperature dry area, and you can store it for pretty much weeks, months, or whenever you use it up. So to wrap up this video, this powder is usually used as a fragrant garnish, but in some dishes can also use as the primary flavor. Thank you all for watching. Tune in for the next episode. Thank you.